With Pictory, you can make awesome marketing videos in just minutes. There's no need to appear on camera and there's no need to buy expensive equipment. Simply start with your script. In this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to make a marketing video for a company called Main Street Flowers. You can see I've written my script in a text document. I'm now going to copy and paste it into Pictory. Choose a template for your video. In this instance, I'm going to use a default template, but you can easily create one that matches your brand exactly. Pictory AI has done a great job of matching the video clips with what you've written in your text. However, sometimes you may want to change the AI's choice to one of your own. That's no problem. Simply click on the piece of text for which you'd like to change the video clip and select Visuals. Now you can search for something which is more appropriate. Add music and a voiceover. Select audio and choose a music track. Now add a voiceover. You can either upload a recording of your own voice or use one of our many AI voices if you prefer. Let's preview our video. In seconds, Pictory creates a video perfect for your marketing needs.
Welcome to Main Street Flowers. Our expert florists are dedicated.
Start your video marketing journey today by visiting Pictory AI and signing up for your free account.